2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic cream. White Room. Awesome. Let's go. So the verses are in D minor, but the song starts in G minor. Those hits. So we got bar chords happening. Got a G minor bar chord. So 3, 5, 5, starting on the low E string. A, D, 5, 5. And now we want F major. So that's 1, 3, 3, 2. We get D minor. 1, 3, 2. You can play the A string too when you strum that. We get C major. 1, 2, 3. So first time they go G minor, F, D, C. And then back to G minor, F, D, C, and end on A minor. So 1, 2, 2. And that's gonna take us to the verse. Alright, so the rhythm for the intro. Bam, ba 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 bam, 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 bam. So the last 3 hits are downstrokes. A minor there. Okay, and then it's gonna take us to the verse. Grab a D minor with the finger 1, pinky, and 2. The next chord will be like this. So keep your D minor and add your third finger on the C note here on the A string. All right. Then lift up first finger. We want second fret A string and just keep your pinky where it is on the B string, and then down here. Yeah. again. Chorus. C, G major, B flat. That's a 1, 3, 3, starting on the A string. To A major. Back to C. Second time, I go to C instead of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the strumming there is a later at some point they get back to the intro. Intro, G minor, bar chord, F major bar, D minor, C, G minor, F major, D minor, C, A minor, and that's going to take us to the verse. And the rhythm is pa 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 la pa 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 down da 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 sa da da down da 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 sa da da. And then verses. D minor, fingered like this, add third finger on third fret A string, that's C over D minor, and then B over G, B flat over G, and then back to C. Chorus, C major, G major, B flat, A major, C major, G major, B flat, and C. Cool. Cream. White Room. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy and rock on.